Hello guys, it's me Renish. In this video, let's see the unboxing and the installation of the Carrier 1.5 ton speed inverter IC. So let's not further delay, let's get started. This is a VGuard 400 inverter IC stabilizer. It's suitable up to 1.5 tons and the working range of this stabilizer is 170 voltage to 270 volt voltage fluctuation. This stabilizer costs around 2500 and this is the overall packing. Okay, now I'll show you the model names and more details of the AC. And this is the place we are going to install the AC. A chop over there, replacing that one into a new one. Due to some sensors problem, we are replacing that to a new one. This is the old outdoor unit, what we are going to replace. Shop over there, this is the place we are going to place the outdoor unit. This is the AC remote and manuals, warranty, etc. The remote looks really good.
I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance, not the life I want to live. I want to take it all, standing tall, fear I weighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
After the installation, what it looked like. At the left, the AC, at the right, the stabilizer. Okay, now let's turn on the AC now. Turning on the AC. Okay, now I will explain the controls of the remote. At the top left we got the turbo mode, and then there is a swing mode, then there is a right step mode. Down there is a separate mode button. It's used to change the AC cooling in dry, cold, and auto mode, etc. Then at the right we got a fan mode, then center we got a power on button with up and down temperature changing button. Then down we got a timer, then there is a sleep mode. Also there is a separate button for the display turn off and etc. Coming back to the outdoor unit, at the top over there we have installed the outdoor unit. Okay, now I'll show you the overview of the outdoor unit.
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow, moving with the motion, following the light that sets me
And here we go. This is the overall impression of the outdoor unit after the installation. The outdoor unit got little bit dustier because I'm shooting this video after a week. Then the right, this is our 32 gas with some caption mentioned there. And And that's it guys, this is the overall impression of the AC. Hope you like the video. If you have any doubts about this AC, comment down below. I'll definitely look into it and give a reply. Thank you for watching. It's me Renish signing off. See you soon in my next video.